welcome back to my channel, guys. I am happy with what I did today. As you can see, I added some little creatures in our mini succulent garden. So this is all free. We have all this things in the house. This was originally a Christmas decor, but I thought like, yeah, it would nice to add this one here. So I got a fairy there, a butterfly. This butterfly actually, it's not a for decor purposes. It's just a DIY one. It was a broken clip, you know, when you hang your clothes. So I just stick them with sticky glue. I almost threw it away, but I was like, maybe I can use it someday. And yeah, glad I didn't throw it away, because yeah, it's very useful in my project now. On this side, if you can see, there's a turtle in there, there's an owl, there's two dogs, and I don't know if you can see it. There you go. And that little one there. There's the owl. And there is this turtle. And there's the lovely birds. Two birds on the side. That this gray placemat will enhance the beauty of this mini garden, our version of a mini succulent garden. So yeah, you don't need to buy something expensive. DIY. Let me know if you have comments, anything, suggestion. That's it for now, guys. Hope you like it. Hopefully all of the succulents will survive. So this is it for now, guys. Hope you check our other videos. Please like, subscribe if you haven't done yet. Comment. We welcome any comments. So for now, gotta say bye, and till my next upload. See ya. Thanks for watching.